Hello guys, today we will learn how to sum two integers, but this time we are going to sum integers not in the normal condition, but we will sum integers in the form of dialog boxes. For example, one dialog box appears in front of user and says enter first integer. When the user enter first integer, then second dialog box appears. When the user enter second integer, then third dialog box appears, and the main purpose of third dialog box is to show the sum of both first and second integer. So let's get started. First of all, go to file, click new project, new Java application, and click next. And here, for example, we write input and input dialog. And click finish. This will take some time. Here it is. For now, you have to remove these comments or leave them as you like. So I will remove these comments here. First of all, because we are going to take input from user, so first thing we must have to do is to import, to write import java dot util, stands for utility dot scanner. Here it is, because scanner is the predefined class in Java libraries. And after importing scanner class, I will go to my main method. Here is the main method of my class. First of all, we will write string first number, we are declaring a variable name as first number, and the data type of this variable is string. Got it? And then second number, these two variables are sorry guys, these two variables are separated by a comma. Second number, and finally third variable is result. Okay guys, and we must have to declare three int variables. Number 1, number 2, and number 3, sorry, and sum. Okay, got it. Then we first want to read in first number from user as a string, so we'll write here first number is equal to j op o is capital j option in dot show input dialog, and we write in these braces because in these braces we all are passing parameter to this method. Enter first number. Okay, something is going wrong here. Somebody go to J option pane, dot show input dialog. I think something is going wrong here. Okay, got it. Here we are using the method J option pane, which is the method of the class J option pane. We don't have imported J option pane, so let's import this class. Here it is automatically imported by our system, so leave it. I think here is the mistake of here is the mistake. I have mistakenly added double B here, so the arrow is where our error will be gone. So second number, second number. I will copy this variable here for the sake of correctness. Second number is equal to j option pane dot show input dialog, and in the braces we will enter the message. So the message for the second number is enter second number. I think there's some mistake, so mistake is here. J and O is always capital. Okay, so go ahead. Here we are going to guys, if we use J option pane dot show input dialog, the values taken by user is stored in this variable in the form of string. This variable first number and in this variable second number, both values in these variables are in the form of string. So in order to make our program most effective and true we will want to convert these variables, these string variables, into integer variables. So in order to do this, we will convert these first number, second number into no1 and no2 in the form of integer. So let's go. So first of all, we will write number no1 is equal to integer dot parse int, and in braces we will write with the name of variable we want to convert from string to integer. So our variable name is first and first number. Okay, and again for second number we will repeat the same code. So guys, I have a mistake here. So here number, first number, second number is converting into integer and storing into number 1 and number 2. This code integer dot parse int, and first number is converting first number from string into integer and storing the integer variable into number 1, and same in the second line. So for now we are going to add number 1 and number 2. So in order to do this, we will already declared variable name as sum. So we will write here sum is equal to number 1 plus number 2. So in variable sum, the sum of both number 1 and number 2 should be stored into the variable sum. So the last thing we have to do is to show the variable sum. So in order to show variable sum, we must have to write J O capital J option pane dot show message dialog. For now, viewers, we are using message dialog here because we want to show result in this dialog box. We are not going to take input from the user, because this final dialog is for just showing result. Got it? So the first parameter will always be null, the first parameter of this method, and in the second parameter we will write the message. Sum of number 1 and number 2 is for here we will use the concatenation in order to show the message dialog box. We have to pass the 4 parameters in it. First will always be null, and the second is the message we want to display, and the third one is the variable we want to display, and the final one is the title of our dialog box. So after this we have to write j option pane dot plain message. Plain message means message will be in the form of text. Okay guys, this is our code, and just try to run the program. Press shift plus F6 and it is compiling now. Here the output of the program is asking for enter first number. I am entering here, for example 4, and the second, now it is asking for second number. We will enter 5 here, and the guys, here is the title. We have given this in the third parameter, guys. And here is the message we will write. Sum of number 1 and number 2 is, and this is the result. Okay, thanks for watching the tutorial. Bye for now.